Hi, welcome back. Today we will be doing curried drumstick. This package is about like 3 to 4 pounds of drumstick. Um, Here I have my vinegar. I'm going to use it to wash my drumsticks, and I will be taking the skin off and cutting them into small pieces. Look how beautiful they are looking. So what I did was to clean and chop them in small pieces and give it another wash, as you can see it right there. Then after that, we'll be adding our dry season like the curry and the all-purpose season, the jerk season, and so forth. Here I am showing you all that I'm going to use in my curried drumstick with a Jamaican twist to it. Um, in this um, in this dish, you can add carrots, Irish potatoes, but it's optional. And you can add your Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, scallion. Thyme and scallion is what I'm going to use last when I'm cooking. I'm not going to add those now, but when I'm cooking, I will add them. Here I am adding all the dry ingredients. And remember, please don't add a lot. Use with caution. There's my Cajun style seasoning. I like to use that. And the reason why I said use with caution, you can use like a measuring spoon. Here I am eyeballing my seasoning. Um, and The reason why I said be careful, salt is already in the seasoning. So if you add too much, then it will be really salty. You have to measure if you don't know how to eyeball, and I would not recommend a person who is learning to cook to just had it like how I am doing right now. There's my Grace Hot curry powder. I'm adding that to it. With why I add the three curry powder. These days these curry are like really light, but the better pack curry bring out all the flavor in it. There's my Irish jerk, and when you're adding your Irish jerk, I'm doing like 3 to 4 pounds, so I had 1 tablespoon. And there's my other curry powder, and I'm going to combine everything together. You can use a fork or a spoon to mix, or you can use a gloves or whatever. Here is my better pack curry I'm using. This meal you can also serve at Thanksgiving or Christmas, or you can serve it all year around. It's good. There is my bell pepper, my onion, and my ginger. As you can see, I use one whole bell pepper. I'm going to chop those, and I'm going to chop my ginger and my onion and add it to the mixture. As I said, I'm not going to add my green onion / scallion and thyme as yet until I'm cooking, right? When you're going to cook it, make sure most people like to burn the curry. You can do it which way you want to. It depends. There are my chopped onions and bell pepper and ginger. So you're going to let that sit for 2 to 3 hours, or you can let it sit overnight in your refrigerator and then cook the next day. It will actually taste better, you know, when the seasoning, everything soak inside there. It will be so delicious. Look at that. That's not cooked, and look at it already. Mm? That looks good, and it's going to taste good. I know it. With the Scotch bonnet pepper, that's optional. You don't have to use. You can also use a mixed vegetable in your curry, chicken or drumstick. What you're doing, you can add that too, but it's optional. If you don't like drumstick, you can also use the breast of the chicken. Just cut it in fine pieces, and then everything will be fine. It's the same. Just add the same ingredients. Look how beautiful that looks.
Okay,
And it's not
so
cooked yet.
remember to like, subscribe, and share. Look out for my next video. Bye bye.